Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tech Flip. And in this episode of Tech Flip, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play Pubg Mobile with these AirPods on. Can we play Pubg with these AirPods? Is there any sound lag or anything like that? So I thought why not to make a video and show you in the Tech Flip, because why to miss any content? Anyway, so this is the video. So let's start without wasting any time. So in my iPhone there is no Pubg. I just uninstalled Pubg because I don't know how I got banned from Pubg. I'm literally so pissed off. Like literally Pubg, you just lost one of your loyal players. Like my friends also knows that I never do hacking, I never think of hacking, but I don't know how I got banned. Like 2 days, it's been 2 days I got banned. Anyway, let's start. And I just downloaded Pubg on my on my iPad. So let's start playing Pubg on my iPad without wasting all the times. And I started to hate Pubg, and I was the biggest Pubg fan, if I have to say you. So I did this thing just for the sake. Anyway, now let's put these AirPods inside of the case, and after that we will start the video. At first let me put this thing inside of the case, and Bluetooth, everything is turned off. Wait a little moment, that's what I'm going to do right now. And this Pubg, I just installed Pubg, as you can see. Can you see this? Here, as you can see, I just installed Pubg and there is no Pubg on my iPhone. Now let's connect the Bluetooth, let's connect the AirPods, and I'll see you later after this thing connects. Here's the AirPods, let me connect. Alright, everything is okay right now. Let's pull these things from the AirPods, and let's pull this thing in my ear, and let's start playing Pubg, and let's see how many sound lags or etc can we see. And as you can see, the AirPods fits me very well. Let's start playing Pubg. Alright, let me be in one side because I need to get ready. Alright, here Pubg loading, and I'm waiting. Why this thing still turns on in the background? I don't need this one, though I'm using the AirPods right now to play the game. Can you see the AirPods? Anyway, I think just one thing you should remember that about the sound lag. It may do some sound lag sometimes, though let's see what happens, because I never played with the AirPods. This is my first time. I haven't tested. Let's see. Everything looks pretty fantastic still right now. Why I'm playing like that? Oh my gosh, it's very hard to play. Yeah, the sound quality and everything is going well. Let's play one match and we'll be able to see like what happens. Alright, I'm playing this. Like, how can I play? Where should I land? This is George Pool. I'm gonna go to George Pool. It's final. I'm gonna go to George Pool. It's George Pool over here. Let's go to one side. Should I also do the screen recording? I think so. I should also do the screen recording for the audio purposes. Let's start. Alright, it's the time to jump. I jumped, and still right now the sound is getting really well. yeah, it's, I think in my opinion it's working like a champ, no issues, but I can play this way. It is looking very nasty though. I'm playing. Alright, still I have to say the sound quality is going very well without any lags, without any issues. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I can you see my condition? I need to put some first aid right now. There is a bot, let's kill that bot. Nice bot, thank you for giving me an extra kill. Alright, it's nice. Sniper I don't need, just particle grip, that's what I need. This earphone works pretty well because I can hear that the sound is coming from the right. Wait. Yeah, this thing works perfectly. Now it's proven that this earphone is perfectly fine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy moly, can you see my life? No. I cannot play PUBG this way. This is totally shitty. Good gameplay bro, good, nice play. I wish I could pick this device and play my way, but right now it's I cannot do so because I'm using the camera to record the video, and I cannot move the device that much because of focusing issues. Anyway, so the main thing was, can we play with the AirPods? Then the question's answer is yes, we can play with the AirPods without any issues. So I think you guys got your answer. Then you should thank me later. At first you should like the video. That's how you can thank me. Anyway, so that was all for this one. See you in another one. Till then, what you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, or comment on anything in your mind. Today's video was a nifty and quick little video, but the thing is, I think it doesn't do any lag. If it does, I cannot feel it. Like it may be some millisecond or so. And yeah, with that said guys, this was all for today. See you in another one. Till then, bye.